welcome to this vlog. As you can see, I am quite sweaty right now. I just took a SoulCycle class and I haven't in like a week. Since you guys know I was in Nemacolin. I've just been unpacking, settling back in since I'm back home. It's nearing the end of March, so I think today I'll like plan out my schedule for April. And you may have noticed a dog that isn't Brody, and that's my friend Mallory's dog, Walter. Actually, he's been in one of my vlogs before, if you guys remember Walter. But my friend Mallory actually had her baby yesterday, so it's been such an exciting time, obviously. So Walter has been sitting here. He's like napping out there right now. I'm just so happy for her, and I can't wait to see her and meet her baby girl. Walter is the best boy, if you couldn't tell. He's so sweet. He's so calm. But I think he's just so tired because Brody and him basically run around all day long, so they really tire each other out. And this is actually his baby sister's blanket, and Mallory's husband brought it over last night just so he could get used to the scent of his baby sister. I think it's so sweet. He's been cuddling with it so much. So I'm just getting ready for the day now. I curled my hair, as you could see, showered, all clean, and now we're just going to do some makeup. I've actually been trying out this new CC cream from e.l.f., you guys. I've been loving it. It's the Camo CC cream, and I know we all know e.l.f., I'm sure. My OGs, my classics, like this eyelash curler. Does this guy just bring you memories? Like a tried and true, just classic. We all know how amazingly affordable their products are, especially for the quality, but all of their products are 100% vegan and never tested on animals. And actually, this CC cream has amazing ingredients in here. I've just been really into learning about the ingredients in my makeup and my skincare recently, especially because my twin sister has been watching so much skincare by Hyram, and she has been raving to me about hyaluronic acid and niacinamide and how those two ingredients are just really good for your skin and really hydrating. And that's something that I'm always looking for since my skin is so dry. So this CC cream in specific has been so hydrating and good for me, especially if you guys have dry skin like me. I would so recommend this because it has some amazing ingredients in here for your skin and is obviously so affordable as well. So I'll make sure I have this link down below, and all the other products I'll be showing you. Like my tried and true classic eyelash curler, my camo concealer I've been using. I always go lighter because I like it to be really bright under my eyes. My skin is all primed and ready, and I'm just going in on the sponge that I also got from e.l.f. If you guys didn't know, I'm shocked at how many people don't know this. You're supposed to get these damp before you apply your makeup. They like blend your makeup so well. Again, I know this is a little light for me right now, obviously, but I really like that bright under eye look, and with bronzer and everything, it's perfect. Okay, I feel like the lighting in here is not doing this justice, but I'll make sure to bring you guys in like natural lighting after this so you can see how good this is. If you're looking for a really brightening under eye concealer, go get this. Now the lighting's better so you can see for a sec, but I love that it has like a natural finish and not like a matte finish, because like I said, I can struggle with dry skin. Oh, and the best thing I didn't even mention is that there's SPF 30 in here, which is so important. When I actually just got my facial at Nemacolin, my facialist just could not stress enough to me how important SPF is. I feel like we all know that, but she's like, you need makeup with SPF in it. You need a moisturizer with SPF in it. Like every day you need to be having SPF on your skin, because like sun is the first thing that will age your skin, so you always want SPF in everything. I wanted to make sure I showed you guys my new e.l.f. complexion duo brush. This is so good for me because quite honestly, I have a bunch of eye makeup brushes rumbling around in my makeup bag, but I barely do eye makeup. If anything, I just do a little bit of bronzer like in my crease of my eyelid. So this is so good for me because I use it for bronzer on my cheek. On this end, I actually know that this is good for cream formulations too, so you can totally use this for the Camo CC cream, but I just love using it as a bronzer brush. So that this little end is for bronzer on my cheek and my forehead up here, and the little end I just use on my eyelids. It just makes it so much easier. If I don't have time, I can't be bothered to do actual eyeshadow, and then it just all goes together. Using that tried and true eyelash curler now, so good, you can't go wrong. And can I be completely honest, you guys, this one is so affordable, we all know, and it makes my eyelashes literally so curled and up how I want them. And other more expensive eyelash curlers that I've tried have ripped my eyelashes out. I'm not even kidding. Like my eyelashes would get stuck to the curler and it would like yank them out, and my e.l.f. eyelash curler has never done that. If you've been looking for a good eyelash curler, and you probably already have this one, I feel like this one is so popular. All done with my makeup. This is like my current go-to look. I love it so much, and all the products I use I will make sure to have linked in the description for you guys if you want to try any of this. And seriously, try out the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. So good. Literally, the finish is just so flawless. I feel like my skin is glowing. Let's go check on Walter and see if he's still sleeping. Oh my goodness, you guys. He's curled up in the tiniest ball. This looks so cozy. Actually, last night, him and Brody were both just like curled up out here together on the couch. It was the cutest thing. Also, he's obsessed with his red frisbees. We have like a bunch of them, and he'll just like run after them all day. Whoa, you sleepy tiger. He's quite literally the cutest. Oh, this lighting's even better. As you can see, my makeup. I've been so into lip liner too, because I feel like it just stays way longer than anything else, and I just put it all over my lips. I know that's not really how it's meant to be. I think you're just supposed to line your lips with it, but I fill mine in as well. And I hope you guys didn't notice. I think I was mostly using my right hand to do my makeup, but look at how sad this is. My ring finger nail broke off the other day. I was like unbuckling my seatbelt, and somehow my nail got caught and just cracked right off. And of course, my nail salon is freaking closed today. So yeah, I need to go get that fixed ASAP, because it's so short that it like hurts, and it looks so funny because all my other nails are way longer. But yeah, don't let that bother you. Something else I'm realizing you guys may notice, I actually wore this sweatshirt last night when I was unpacking. Shh, don't tell, it's okay. I feel like when I get a new favorite sweatshirt that I love, I want to wear it like every day. It's so comfy. This is the brand Aviator Nation, and yeah, I just think it's so fun with all the colors. This was my birthday gift from me to me, and the sweatpants are actually on the way. They were like a little back ordered. I think they just shipped, so it'll be like a really cute little matching set. I just love it. I was turned on to Aviator Nation as a brand for like comfy sweatshirts and sweatpants from Chase, Max's sister, because she has a bunch of their sweatpants and sweatshirts, and they're so cute. So yeah, I'm an outfit repeater. And you know what, you guys, last night I just want to like chit chat for a second. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute. It's just been so hectic. I'm like settling back into my home routine, just because you guys know it's my birthday and I was with my twin sister, my mom, and then we were away at Nemacolin. So now I'm like back home, settling into routine. I mean, it's a little crazy having Walter here, and just I'm so excited obviously to meet my friend Mallory's baby. But yeah, I'm like getting back to normal life, like doing laundry, unpacking, getting groceries, everything. So last night Max and I feel like I haven't been with just him in so long. Like I missed him so much, because obviously Lucy was here for a while and we were like quarantining before. And yeah, anyway, what I'm saying is we have really been into Disney Plus. I feel like I've had the subscription for so long, and I just like would forget to use it. But we watched Princess Diaries, and it was so good, and like brought me back to when I was younger and watched that movie, and we both were like, whoa, we weirdly remember this part or like lines from it. So weird how your brain works and like just remembers the most specific things from like songs or movies when you were a child, and then you like remember them later in life so well. Like we were like saying the lines, even though I haven't watched that movie in probably like 10 years, you know. Anyway, that's crazy. But I didn't even realize there's a Princess Diaries 2, so maybe we'll watch that later. This is just me reminding you, if you have a Disney Plus subscription, to go use it, because there's some good stuff on there. I've had so much fun hanging out with you, Walty. You're so chill. I just had a call with the brand, and he sat on my lap the whole time. I was like, oh my goodness, don't worry, I'm not replacing Brody. You guys are probably like, where's Brody? He actually, oh my god, I literally can't lift my arm up. It's so sore. Woo! I like felt the lactic acid building up from my soul class. But Brody is actually at daycare today, because for a couple reasons. Well, one, he was gonna go to begin with today, because it's a Monday. I feel like we normally bring him Mondays. And also, Walter, like I said, is 3 years old and Brody's 10 months old. So I feel like Brody just tries to have him play with him the whole time. Like he bothers Walter so much, and he'll just swat him with his paws to get Walter to play with him. And I'm like, poor Walter probably just wants to relax. Like, look at him, so chill. And Brody makes him like run around with him all day. So I'm like, this will be good anyway, to let Walter sort of have a moment to chill without Brody bothering him. I'm actually gonna go grab Brody from daycare, and then I actually have a COVID test, because I showed you guys before I went to Nemacolin. Got COVID tested, quarantined the whole thing, obviously mask, social distance the whole time, as you saw in my Nemacolin vlogs. But here today I'm getting my like post-trip COVID test, just to make sure we're all good. Obviously everything's good, but just as like a precaution. So yeah, let's go. But good guys, sleepy. You're always so tired after daycare. I feel like does anyone else? My earrings always get freaking caught in my masks. And I also feel like, yep, my lip stuff is getting all over the inside. Like, I guess just wash them. I wash my mask a bunch because if I'm wearing a bunch of makeup and like get all ready for the day and like have lip stuff on, then it gets all dirty. It's just probs of living in a pandemic, I suppose. Hi, Sleepy. Did you miss me? I miss you. Waiting for my test. That's for you. Okay, ready, Brody? Woo. Alright, no, don't like that. Oh. Woo, we did it, okay. Alright. Well, Brody, that was probably the quickest COVID test I had. It was very like, I knew what to do. Nose is all cleared out because the thing goes so deep in there. But we are good to go driving home. Guys, look at all the boys.
Boys.
All three are so tired.
You had a long day.
Walty is always tired. Look at you guys are all hanging out. Hi, sleepy dog.
Hey.
Max just went grocery shopping for us.
Yeah.
What a gem. I feel like normally I go. Sometimes you go.
I feel like we've been alternating actually. I feel like I went the time before you went.
Oh, maybe we all try.
But you always do the Trader Joe's.
Yeah, I feel like I go and do like a big one, and then a lot of times since Max will be out already coming home from the rink, we'll be like, oh, just grab these things that we're out of, whatever. But you did like a fairly big one, like a medium.
Yeah, that was
shop.
a pretty decent one.
So we'll give you guys a little haul. All right, you guys, welcome to the grocery haul. This is like my favorite thing to watch. I love when people do these on YouTube. I don't know why. It's just like interesting to see what people buy. First thing, Max got Pam because you know what's interesting? I feel like there's families that use Pam and families that don't. I wasn't a Pam family. My family just used like butter to grease pans and stuff, but Max's family is such a Pam family. So like I would never buy that, but he buys that. I feel like I don't even use it. I just like take a knife with a little thing of butter.
Yeah, but that's why we're always out of butter.
Fry my eggs. Yeah. You're a Pam guy. I guess I get it for the grill. You need it for the grill. But yeah, are you guys Pam people or not? Comment. I wish I could have a poll.
Waffle maker.
What?
Waffle maker.
Yeah, it's good for that too. Wish I could have a poll in the comments so I don't know. Eggs, we go through eggs so quick. Max, you could eat like 7 eggs at once, I feel like.
Yeah.
So that's why we go through it quick. He got a loaf of bread. His favorite is oatmeal, but this is similar. It's like oat. So I don't know, whatever. Oat bread. No, your favorite's oat nut. That one's oatmeal. Blueberries, a big thing of blueberries, and a big thing of raspberries. I go through these so quick because I freaking love raspberries. Sour cream. Are we out of sour cream?
Getting low.
Which is concerning how much sour cream we're consuming.
I got the light kind.
But so it's healthy. And little tomatoes. And Max goes through salsa. So you actually go through like a jar of salsa every week. We love salsa. Max has gotten me back into it. Like you just whip out chips and salsa any time of the day, but it's so good. And he recently made for me a like breakfast quesadilla. He does like eggs and cheese in there, and then you have like sour cream and sauce on the side, so it's so good. Parmesan, a big bag of red onions. They were out of onions. This, I can't believe I didn't start with this. This is the most exciting thing. My Sumo oranges, you guys know. Oh, they are just so, God, I love them so much. You know what, I feel like some people are scared of them because they like look, uh-oh, this one's kind of funky looking. Well, anyway, this one's good. They look kind of scary, like the outside rind is kind of like bumpy looking. They are the best tasting oranges. They're so dang good. Max got me a big old box. Thank you. I feel like you never have them.
Not that bite.
When I eat them. Like they're so, I feel like normally I wouldn't even like love oranges, but I just love these oranges. Then he got some turkey for like turkey sandwiches, turkey wraps, baby spinach, and spring mix. I got in trouble once. Max wanted spinach and I got spring mix. No, I'm kidding. But he likes plain spinach and put like in eggs and omelets or whatever. A bunch of broccoli. We like love broccoli. I feel like that's what we eat the most. Or maybe Brussels sprouts. We just love broccoli, roasted broccoli. Avocados, of course, for avocado toast. A bunch of bell peppers. We always do that in like stir fries, wraps, whatever. And then, last but not least, but everything, yeah, that wasn't too big. Got some ground beef. We either do this in a stir fry, or if we're feeling really fun, like burgers. I'll do bolognese. I'm so good at the homemade bolognese. I mean, it's really not rocket science. And then 2 things of chicken, because finally we started using our air fryer, which like I just didn't use for the longest time because I feel like I didn't know how. And all my friends that like love it were like, no, you just have to start using it and then you'll be obsessed. Now we're obsessed with making chicken in there. If you do it with like some breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and it's kind of like healthy chicken tenders. So dang good. So that's my little grocery haul. And yeah, that's it. You guys, I've been feeding Walter in our second bathroom so I can close the doors and he can just have a peaceful time while he's eating, because this guy...
What guy?
...would literally try to eat his food, and
no, he wouldn't. That doesn't sound anything like him.
He would scarf down Walter's whole bowl. Do you have Brody toy? Uh-oh, Brody's gonna try to take it from you. Brody, Brody is so mean to him, you guys. Like, you can't let Walter have one thing without you. So yeah, that's why I've been feeding Walter in the other room. As you saw, I did some of my April schedule. I still gotta finish that. Oh, you know what? Now that it's warm out, by the way, I should like move my bike back into the garage because it is just like in the middle of our laundry room. But I'm in here because I need to stop procrastinating and do some laundry.
Hello.
I just asked Max, you want to edit off the vlog? Oh, almost knocked your coffee out of here. Oh, Walter wants me to throw his frisbee. Watch, he loves. Oh, okay. Well, usually he likes when I throw it for him, Brody, not when you take it away from him. Want me to throw it for you? Okay. But I wanted you to end off the vlog with me because I was telling them earlier how I feel like it hasn't been just 2 of us for a while because Lucy was here and then we were away and stuff. So yeah.
And now we have another visitor.
Now we have another visitor with some fur. Oh my god, look at them. Playing like tug of war with the frisbee. Those are Walter's favorite. But yeah, I feel like this vlog is getting long, so I'll end it off here. Maybe we'll do like Princess Diaries 2 later. I was telling them.
I heard it's not as good as the first.
Wait, really? Actually?
Yeah. Isn't that what people say?
How do you know that?
I don't know.
Why are we out of focus? Because I was telling them how we watched the first one last night. And oh my gosh, just look at them go at it. But basically right now, is it like almost 5? Oh my gosh, it's 5:22. And I'm feeling exhausted. I feel like days that I get up at a reasonable time and work out and like get after it, I like crash at 5 o'clock. Like I don't know how to keep my eyes open. So you think it's like we stay up too late?
You get your sleep on the front side, yeah.
Well, like how do I not feel like exhausted at 5 o'clock? Like do I need to drink afternoon coffee like you are?
Maybe. That's my afternoon coffee.
I thought there was gonna be lipstick on it like that one time. Everyone loved when you were like, well then just don't wear lipstick. You were so mad.
Yeah.
You were like, why would you wear lipstick if we are gonna share coffee? But yeah, do you have anything for them?
Nope.
Guess we'll just end off the vlog here. Say goodbye, boys. Oh my goodness, look at them.
Brody's exhausted.
They literally are like in a standstill. Okay, this is what I'll be doing for the rest of the night. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.
See ya.